Intermission! I was at the hospital, and I wrote a lot of notes on graph paper, and I put them into ASCII diagrams. So, we're still working on this file format, but we have some thoughts related to the rendering tech. So, these are kind of like, this is kind of a side, and we're going to get into it. We're going to gloss over it. So, we got these intended route bits, and it's a way to pre-declare a path of entry and exit within a level pack, right? Because these level packs are stitched together in a larger world map, and the only enter and exit points are these points here, right? These are the only points that connect to other level packs when we're stitching everything together. So we have these different routes that we can kind of pre-declare for reasons of optimizing where fine-grained details can be placed. Like if we're using a vertical path, then fine-grained details will only be in the vertical path because we have a limited amount of memory for our fine-grained prefab data. So declaring the intended route ahead of time could make it so the renderer knows that fine-grained detail information only goes like here. We have some other stuff that we have like other patterns for kind of predefined areas where we can put prefab data. We have a diagram of what the prefab data cells are. We have some other kind of thoughts. We got a lot of thoughts. Honestly, you know what? We don't have enough fucking time to go over all. I mean, fuck, we can't even scroll through all this in enough time. So you know what? Fuck this. Okay, if you want the explanation, you're gonna have to go here. And if you really want the actual explanation, like, it literally took me like 2 fucking hours to do this. So, you know what, sometimes I just don't have enough time to gloss through it. I literally wrote so many comments that I cannot cover them all in the time allotment for this video. So I can barely cover it in 15 minutes. Really, the 2-hour video might be good for you if you really want to know what those comments are. Otherwise, you can just fucking skip this video. Don't worry about it. Source code is here. You can email me here. Like and subscribe.